We started Doximity with a mission to help physicians be more productive and provide better care for their patients. Physicians first is our mantra. We help physicians connect with their colleagues, manage their careers, stay up to date with the latest medical research, securely coordinate patient care, and conduct virtual patient visits. At the core of the Doximity platform is the largest medical network in the nation. Our registered membership includes over 80% of actively practicing US physicians, over 50% of US nurse practitioners and physician assistants, and over 90% of graduating US medical students, the next generation of doctors. Our member profiles digitize the traditional curriculum vitae, reflecting the unique clinical expertise, affiliations, training, certifications, and research that differentiate medical professionals. Doctors can search for a colleague to coordinate care or find a specialist best suited for their patient's needs for a referral. For example, Dr. Michael Thompson's profile can be found when searching for leukemia specialists in Milwaukee. This transcends the traditional geographic and organizational boundaries that medical professionals face when delivering care. It creates proximity between doctors. The interconnection of resumes makes it easy to reconnect with colleagues from training or further their career, from navigating residency options to checking job postings from the country's top hospital networks, and searching the most comprehensive salary map in existence for doctors wanting to know what their market worth is by geography. Doximity physicians help determine which hospitals might be the best for the most complex care in a particular specialty through powering the reputation score of the US News & World Report Best Hospital Rankings. Medicine is an evolving field. It's important for physicians to stay up to date on the latest treatments and research. But each week, there are nearly 30,000 medical journal articles published, which can make keeping up with it all quite difficult. The Doximity newsfeed separates signal from the noise, using advanced algorithms along with a team of clinical editors to match news and research updates to each individual physician's subspecialty, patient population, and network relationships. So for example, interventional cardiologists who treat aortic stenosis can discover new research about transcatheter aortic valve replacement. Physicians can react or discuss the results of a study or article with their peers. Our platform automatically helps our members earn CME credit as they go, which doctors need to maintain their licenses. Scrolling past a discussion about new research, we see an example of sponsored content, a video from a hospital. Continuing down, our algorithms match an article to my network connections and show me that one of my colleagues was quoted. We support physicians in their day-to-day practice of medicine with the best of modern enterprise technologies. Tools like sending and receiving HIPAA-compliant electronic faxes, e-signed with a finger, from their smartphone, on the go, to anywhere in the US health system, or securely messaging with another physician to collaborate around a patient referral. Our telemedicine product allows doctors to voice or video call patients from their cell phone while displaying their office or hospital number on the caller ID. Let's see how easy it is to conduct a virtual visit. I could type in the patient's number, or it could come from the electronic health record. And I can choose what caller ID the patient will see. I'll set it to my hospital. This makes it more likely that my patients answer the call. Now, if I tapped the video call button, it would immediately text the patient a link to join a video call. But I know this patient might be uncertain with video technology. So let's begin with a voice call. The patient's phone rings, showing a call from the hospital. And now I've got them on the phone and we can begin our clinical visit. Now, let's transition to a video call. The patient receives a text message with a link and the visit moves to their web browser. The patient doesn't need to download an app or remember their password to a complicated patient portal. They just tap our text message and they're in. We're intentionally designed for clinical needs. For instance, clinical-themed virtual backgrounds, including a language interpreter or family member, or patient education with an interactive library. And when the call ends, it may be an opportunity to refer the patient to a specialist physician, powered by our network search. And now you can see how doctors use Doximity to save time and provide better care for their patients.